Welcome back to Down the Shed. Me, Jason. So, experiment number 18, the Darlington. Basically the same as yesterday's or the last video we did. Apart from there's going to be 2 transistors instead of 1. But we will do the normal reading of the manual or the electronic kits Bible. So experiment 18, the Darlington. I really need to sort out something on my computer so I can read it from there and it looks like I'm looking at you. I probably will for the next one actually, because there's quite a lot of writing on the next one. So anyway, I digress. I like that word. This circuit, oh hang on, we haven't done the, there we go. We've got some debris control on the remote here. Oh actually we should do that. So hopefully that's not too loud this time. This circuit is very similar to the last one. Connect the wires according to the wiring checklist and press the switch. Hold it down for several seconds. The LED will slowly light up. Release the switch and the LED stays lit. Take a look at the schematic, and I did try making one of the other ones. I don't know if I had a decent enough pot, but yeah, we'll try that again. So take a look at the schematic. All the current flowing through the emitter of NPN1 will flow to the base of NPN2. So the current flowing into the base of NPN1 will be amplified twice, once by each transistor. This configuration is called the Darlington configuration. I don't know why. I shall Google it. It has a very high current gain and a very high input resistance at the base. So there are now 2 transistors to turn on. The capacitor voltage must exceed 1.4 volt before the LED will start to light. And since the input current to the base is so small, it will take much longer to discharge the capacitor. But the circuit is functionally the same as experiment 17, and the LED will eventually go dark, though it may take a few minutes. Right, so I might need a few more little wiring things out. Well, I say wiry things, wires. Okay, so let's Google the Darlington configuration. Little Bluetooth keyboard, brand new, £3 charity shop. In electronics, a multi-transistor configuration called the Darlington configuration, commonly called the Darlington pair, is a circuit consisting of 2 bipolar transistors with the emitter of one transistor connected to the base of the other, such that the current amplified by the first transistor is amplified further. Let's go to Wikipedia. This configuration has a much higher current gain than each transistor. Taken separately, it acts like and is often packaged as a single transistor. It was invented in 1953 by Sidney Darlington. So there we go. That's why we're called the Darlington effect. Or the Darlington rather. Anyway, so let's crack on and build this pair. I'm just going to put that down like that. So 43 to 27, so that'll be battery pods. It's going to be one of these, isn't it? Yeah, 3.3k is 43. I had 150 in one. I think it was 50 in one, 150 in one, and then the really posh 201 Tandy realistic kits when I was a kid. The first 2 were on a car boot sale. I don't know what my dad paid, a few quid for them or whatever. Oh, that's why I bought this one when I saw it on Amazon, because I just so loved these from when I was a kid. But I'm going to have to go on eBay and get myself a proper, a nice 151 and a proper wooden box with all the bits. Don't want any one. I might just buy a second one for extra stuff. But these kits are so good. If you want to learn or get into electronics, you can make, yeah, these are just great. So 27 to 56, which will be battery to switch, I guess. Yeah. So 55 to 52, so switch to 100k resistor. 36 to 51. So if the numbers have a string in them, remember, if it's got 3 numbers in it, you go first to second, second to third, and if it's 2 numbers, then it's just 1 connection. So 55 to 52. No, we've done that. 36 to 51. So it's capacitor plus to the 100k resistor. 51 to 15. So that's 100k resistor. To there it is. So that'll be the base NPN1. 42 to 3. Get a decent one for that, so that's going to be 3.3k to, let's go with the LED for a change. We always go with the blue one. Let's have the red one. I changed it, it was 2 just normal red ones, and I thought, well, let's have the ultra bright, would have been, have a blue and a red. 42 to 3 just done. 4 to 19 and 19 to 16. So, well, that'll be 2 in our case because we're using the other LED. So 2 to 19, which is the collector of NPN2, and 19 to 16, which is, oh, that one's come out, 2 to 19. To 16. So 4 to 19, 19 to 16 in your case, which is the collector of NPN1. 17 to 18. So that'll be emitter to base NPN1 to 2. 20 to 38. Emitter NPN2 to 470 ohm resistor. (39 to 26), which is the other side of the 470 ohm resistor, to battery negative. And then that part should be somewhere. Right, so as you can see, hang on, let's kill that laptop screen a bit. In fact, let's kill that telly a bit. Remote! Right, so as you can see, there's a very faint glow. So I'll press and hold the button, or the switch, and you can see we're quite bright now. So let go of the switch and it slowly fades out. Hold it up a bit for the other camera. So I'll just give it a press, brighten it back up, and let's see if I can stub it out. There we go. So as you can see, there's still a little bit of a light there, but I'll press and hold the button, and there we go. It took a while, and then it charges up. Let go, and it will slowly discharge. So that's the Darlington. A little light going on. So like and subscribe to the video, or like the video, subscribe to the channel even. We'll get this right one day. This is like video 167 or something, I don't know. I lost track. I just do videos and enjoy what I do. And it appears there's 1 or 2 of you out there who enjoy what I do as well. So that makes it all worthwhile.